Yeah, grab a can and then right around the corner you sign up.
Town of Lions is the epitome for all fun outdoor stuff. Oscar Blues, of course, was founded here, so we combined the beer festival with outdoor sports. We throw in a beer relay, trail running, and beer drinking race. All sorts of great music, just the ultimate day. So coming together with the Town of Lions and Oscar Blues is how we put this whole thing.
Let's get ready and these guys.
Lions Outdoor Games is actually into its 15th year right now. We've been partnering with Burning Can for about 3 years. I believe that is when the event Burning Can was. So I am the partnership manager for the Lions Outdoor Games. I collectively work with partners and sponsors to align brands that go with our mission to raise awareness of the outdoor culture in Lions, and it's great. I bring in some event partners that will create an experience for our spectators. I also will get product donations for our athletes and for our volunteer goodie bags. We always hook up our volunteers, which reaches about 200 people with lots of fun sponsor products, and it's a great experience. It's a great position to have. I get to kind of work with all the great people that love our community and want to be here to support us and raise funds for the Town of Lions Parks and Recreation and Cultural Department.